Daddy's boots by the back door, red clay caked in the seams. He said, son, this town will hold you if you let go of your dreams. So I packed up my old Chevy, chased the sky I couldn't see. Thought I knew every answer, thought the world was waiting on me. But every mile I ran took me further from who I am. The mountain knows more than me. See my pride and my crash and my plea. Every trail that I thought I chose, it was there watching quiet while I froze. I keep learning the hard way, bleed by bleed. But the mountain knows more than me. Came back from Mama's birthday, house was smaller than I recall. Found my face in the hallway pictures, looking scared, trying to look tall. She asked, son, are you happy? I just stared at the kitchen sink. All my stories sounded hollow, lot of noise and not much to drink. So I drove up past the chapel light, where the grass